Number 1. Glass rod. It is used to mix chemicals. Number 2. Test tube. It is used to handle chemicals. It is also used for heating small amount of chemicals. Number 3. Filter paper. It is used to separate fine solid particles from solutions. Number 4. Watch glass. It is used to hold solid chemicals while being weighed. It is used as a surface to evaporate small amount of liquid. It is also used as a cover for beaker. Number 5. China dish. It is used for boiling and evaporating solutions. It is also used for crystallization of salt. China dish, watch glass, filter paper, glass rod, test tube. Number 6. Beaker. It is used for making solutions. It is also used for measuring chemicals. It is also used for heating purpose and for precipitation reaction. Number 7. Funnel. It is used to pour liquids and powders through small opening. It is also used for holding filter paper in filtration process. Number 8. Measuring cylinder. It is used to measure volume of liquids, chemicals or solutions. Number 9. Laboratory thermometer. It is used to check the temperature, melting point, boiling point and freezing point of chemical substances.